I usually don't sit here. I think this is the first time you're seeing me working from here because my desk was occupied by my wife. Obviously, can't help it right now, working from home for everyone. And office space is very limited in all the houses, most of the houses at least. But then, I am missing my place. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. What's up? Kaise ho? I hope everyone's doing great. Just now when I thought I can sit and work aram se, this little monster, the trouble, the hashtag trouble came. Oh, by the way, I just discovered something. Let me show it to you. I'm excited about it. The other day I was trying to search some of my shirts in my cupboard and where is it here? Look at what I found. This is my first AirPods. I got it almost like 3 years back, I think. I'll give you it. You saw it? This is not that AirPods. Wait. I'll give you 1 second. I'll give you. This is not that. AirPods Pro bhi idhar pada hai. This is also slowly starting to give me trouble because it sensed something. It sensed that the new AirPods is gonna come soon. You know what is surprising about this? The reason I'm showing it to you now is it lights up, dude. It's still. इसको सब Apple products पसंद है मेरे जैसा. That's not a AirPod. You can't put it in my ear. You wear it on your wrist. अभी से if you want Apple products, आज तो हमको. Seriously, I don't know when did I charge this. It still lights up, dude. There is power in it. Actually, let me connect it to my phone and see how much charge is left. I'm pretty sure I charged it like at least a year ago. Naishu, kishi do. Now, if I ask her with sound, she'll give it with a sound. Naishu, sound. You know everything, dude. Right side has 89%. Seriously, 89% battery left. Anyways, I'll not be using this, but I'm not going to give it to anyone. Reason being, I like to collect Apple products because Apple is not going to make it again. Unfortunately, I cannot deny the fact that I'm an Apple fanboy because especially if you're in a proper Apple ecosystem, which means if you have all their products, everything works so seamlessly, you don't want to go out of it, right? Only thing is they're not worth their price, yeah. And now I was also wondering, Apple is one of my favorite companies and I see a lot of growth in it, but then I cannot invest in it. And you guys know that I love doing investments. You know, ESA, right? I keep talking about it. Earn, save and invest. I was thinking, how can I invest my money into US stocks, especially Apple, Google, Tesla, all these companies. Being an automotive enthusiast, I was definitely interested in this particular company. Tesla. See the last 1 year increment, that is like 1 year 160% is mind blowing. But now finally I'll be able to invest into US stocks using IND money. The best part about IND money is that there is literally zero commission on buying and selling US stocks. And one more advantage is usually, you know, banks charge 500 to 1000 rupees whenever you load US dollars into your account. Here, once again, no charge on that. That's not all. There's one more benefit. There is absolutely, again, zero maintenance charge and zero account opening fee. And one more major advantage I found is usually, you know, banks charge up to 2 to 3% markup fee. But using this app, you get the best conversion rate possible. And if you're not really confident about US stocks and you want to test the waters, you need not buy one complete share, but you can also buy fractional shares. How beautiful is that? You can buy shares worth $1 or much lesser than that. Now, is IND money safe and secure? Absolutely. Firstly, IND money is SEBI regulated, and also IND money has partnered with DriveWealth. DriveWealth is basically like a stockbroker in the US. DriveWealth is regulated by FINRA. Like we have SEBI in India, FINRA is a regulatory body in the US, and IND money is certified by Bishop Fox, Google's security assessment partner. So data security is properly secured, and also it is worth mentioning that the app is ISO certified. And in case you guys are also interested to invest in US stocks, do check out this app. I put a link in the description. All these years it was a little bit of a challenge, but now we have great technology. I think it is time to take advantage of this and start investing in US stocks as well. So I need to do some work which I don't like doing, some maintenance work kind of stuff, like proper physical work. Basically what I need to do is, you see this air conditioner here. It's a very nice air conditioner, but how much ever you spend, it doesn't matter. You still need to do that physical work of cleaning the filter and all that on your own. Or if you have extra money, you can call someone who can come and do it. This is a filter that I need to change. Not change, I just need to wash it. Let's get started. Absolutely no idea how to open it because never we opened it. We did not clean it from the time we bought it. Very bad, Shriman, very bad. Oh, by the way, you see this picture over here? This was our pre-wedding shoot. One of my friend, a photographer, his name is Rahul, he clicked all these pictures and it was so difficult for me to pose that time, you know. That is one of the main reasons he captured me from behind because our face expressions were so fake. I was very shy to face the camera. Abhi to aadat ho gaya camera, but before I used to feel very conscious. Actually, I expected a lot of dust in it. Filter is... Oh, there are two filters. Take, go. Can't even see through it, dude. I mean, take a look at that junk. Huh? cleaning the AC filter, try this out. Put the AC filter like this and walk. It feels so cool. Oh, full on crystal clear ho gaya abhi. I think we're gonna have more effective cooling, which we don't need in this season. So next 2 years ke liye next 2 years ke liye we're good. Just kidding. It's a good practice to clean your AC filters every at least 3 to 4 months, depending on how much you use it. Unboxing table is coming out, which means we have to unbox something today. I think in the previous vlog I've already shown this. I mean, I did not unbox it, I just shown you the packet. This particular package, this is something like really important for me. It is basically a replacement of my stupid old GoPro 8 Black. Peru matram takkoledu intundi. Finally, I've invested in the GoPro 9. I was not at all interested in upgrading to the GoPro 9. Every year they upgrade. I think this year they're gonna release GoPro 10, which is not gonna be a major change from this. In case the GoPro 10 is gonna be amazing, out of the world, then maybe I'll consider buying that. And as a motovlogger, I need 2 cameras. In case one fails, we need to have one more ready. I can't stop my vlogs for that, right? I got the GoPro 9 from Amazon. I try to buy expensive stuff from Amazon only if it is sold by Amazon itself, not a third-party seller. But these days, especially when they have like high volume of sale, that is when the quality of the package goes down. It came in this particular package. If you see all these edges, they've been taking a beating. All the sides, it's not like a brand new thing. It is a brand new, it is sealed and all. Definitely it has been crushed on the corners. Oh, that's a nice box, yeah. We need something like this. 5K. I don't even use 4K, dude. 20 megapixel photo, voice control, slow-mo, data overlays, time warp. I don't need all this. You just switch on whenever I hit on and switch off whenever I hit switch off. This is all I need. I don't need any fancy stuff. Okay, come close. Let's unbox it. Oh, that's a nice, cleanly packed package here. The typical instruction manual which we don't need. GoPro stickers. Second point is something interesting. No questions asked. Camera replacement. Finally a C-type. Okay, even the GoPro 8 is C-type, but yeah, we need this a lot. Because I think most of the stuff, most of my gadgets are C-type now, except the stupid iPhone which still has a lightning port. I don't understand what's Apple trying to do, because the Mac is C-type, the iPad is C-type, but iPhone is not C-type, it is lightning. Okay, this is something that has been improved on the GoPro. This is a much bigger battery. See the difference? This is the 5678 battery and this is the new battery, little bit thicker. Hopefully should give us more battery life. A mount and the main product, the GoPro 9 itself. The first impressions when I see it, I mean, don't look at this very closely because I've done some jugaad and all that. I mean, what to do here? I have to do all this jugaad because stupid GoPro 8 doesn't have a replaceable glass. The good thing in the GoPro 9 is at least they realized their mistake and now we have a removable glass. You see that? I don't understand what were they thinking when they were designing the 8. 5, 6, 7 had a removable glass. 8 mein someone thought, let's try the Apple way so that if a glass breaks, we can ask the customer to replace the entire GoPro. But hum desi hai. We are not going to do that. We're going to do all this jugaad. One really irritating part of the GoPro 9, the new generation, is it is much heavier now. Look at 8, look at 9. But for motovloggers, when you have to mount this on your chin, already I'm vlogging. Already our helmets are like really heavy and we have to wear the helmets for at least 9 to 10 hours, and then even a little bit of weight in the front, you get this neck kick. When you switch this one on, if it switches on, oh, you switched on. Yeah, now I don't need any footage, no, it will switch on. Works fine. And if you see the display here, it's black and white. Let's switch on the GoPro 9 for the first time. You switched on, good. Continue doing this for the rest of your life. Perfect, works. Okay, everything is set up. What is more fancy on the GoPro 9 is you have like a proper color display in the front. If I'm vlogging like this, I can see myself in it, but I don't think I'm going to use this tiny device and vlog myself. We got used to vlogging with a big camera or at least the iPhone. But then we cannot just finish it like that. You have to buy more accessories for it, right? Got an extra battery and a charger. Apart from this, we have to get one more thing, that is the side door. Because if I want to capture my audio, it doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. I'll have to remove the door where there is the C-type port, as you can see. But when I connect that, battery and the whole circuitry, it's all exposed. What is GoPro thinking, dude? So we have to go for a third-party door, which and also has a hole here so that I can put my mic. And mind you, mic is not 3.5mm. We need to buy an adapter, which is again 4,000 to 5,000 rupees, which is so bulky, as big as the GoPro size. And then usme you have to put the 3.5mm mic. or do one thing GoPro, at least sell us a C-type mic. But then one more catch, when you put a third-party door like this, waterproof is not gonna work. I know this was more like bashing the GoPro, but one thing we'll accept, they make amazing, very sturdy devices. Software should be fixed, yeah. Do something about it, and I think people like me will never look back. We can't rely on this all the time. That is the only issue I have. Otherwise, the color science, the way everything gets captured in a GoPro, nothing can beat it for sure. All the memories that I've created till now on my YouTube channel, everything is because of a GoPro. So I love you. It is like a love and hate relationship. Though I have a lot of complaints for it, I still end up buying a GoPro only. Evening, most probably, let's go for a spin. It's been long since I've taken this treatment out. I'll fix this on the show berth here and let's test it out. Once again, unboxing is very easy and some people enjoy doing that and you people enjoy watching it, but then look at the mess I created. Putting all this back is definitely irritating. So everything is set up. As you can see, there's the GoPro. Pretty heavy, I can already feel it. I've already used the GoPro 9 before, my friend ka, when I was coming back from Ladakh. But nenu kuda margadarshilo chera, nenu kuda oka kotta GoPro 9 konna. Let's see what the GoPro 9's got. Time is literally 9:30 in the night. It's gonna be fun riding this treatment. Let's go. Only thing is, I forgot about this dude. I'll not be able to see anything in the dark. This is the next thing I have to get. Let's open it and ride it. What to do? Oh, 1 second, transition. See you guys in the GoPro mode in 3. See you guys in the GoPro 9 mode in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the number one question. Do I take the BMW or do I take this tram? Actually, you know best, let's take the Dio and go. Just kidding. Actually, I've already decided, like I told you in the video, that I'll take this street twin and go. After I came down, I was like, Shriman, hamare paas BMW 1250 bhi hai. Why not take this and go? Arre chhod yaar, let's take the street twin. Too much of thinking. Your time will come. You are only for long rides, like proper long rides. By the way, first test, very low light, just a tube light here. How is the low light performance? This is what we need. I hope it is improved on the GoPro 9. Let's wear our HD glasses and get out. Okay, there at least we had little bit of light, but here to absolutely almost zero light. Except for the street light, a small LED light there. I'm pretty sure there'll be a lot of noise. Obviously, it's not going to be like a full frame camera like the A7S3. It is going to be a little bit dark. Okay, so how is the low light? This is the minimum light we're going to have in most of the trips, except sometimes if you're on the highway and most of the highways are not lit up, you don't have like proper lighting from the shops like this. That is the time when you need proper GoPro performance. But not to worry, because on the highways we're gonna ride the monster, the beast, the Emperor, which will have like proper full-on next level lighting. I even got the bracket for mounting the clear water lights. Royal Enfield hai, so we are not gonna vlog. Impossible to vlog. Okay, we are back live again. I had to shut down my camera because we were in the army area. So anyways, I don't need to talk much about the GoPro 9, how I feel about it, except that I can talk about just the weight. Yes, definitely I can feel that 50 or 80 or I don't know how many grams, but there is a little bit of added weight towards the front of the helmet, which will definitely give me a little bit of a neck ache when I use it for longer durations. But then, yeah, we get used to it. Abhi to kuch nahi hoga, but once you get older and older, once you cross 50, all these things will magnify. Anna, enduku aptunu Anna, seriously, why? And I've closed the dark tinted visor, which is very dangerous, but there are a lot of halogen lights here, so no problem. I can see through the dark tinted visor as well, pretty comfortably. I can see all the bike lights and all that. But yes, what you're seeing right now, usme half. And one more adjustment I need to do on the street one is this headlight here. When they fix the handlebar and all that, they move the headlight a little bit downwards, so the focus is right here. So I can actually use high beam. Right now you see this blue light and don't get hyper about it. First of all, we'll have a lot of keyboard warriors. They'll be like, dude, you're using high beam and affecting others. Practice before you preach, aisa bolega. So let me tell you, see, even if it's like in high beam, it focuses down, completely down. So you're talking of the GoPro's quality, you guys can be a better judge than me because you're obviously seeing everything. And anyway, the footage is not going to be raw, it is going to get compressed, and once I render the output, it's going to be a little bit compressed, and then once we upload it to YouTube,
Again, it's gonna get compressed a little bit, so obviously you'll not be seeing the 100% quality of the GoPro. There will be a slight decrease. In case you're hearing a lot of wind noise, that is gonna go when I ride the Adventure Tourer, because we have a proper windshield on the Emperor. Wide windshield, ispe kuch nahi hai, like directly the wind is hitting the helmet. One thing I was worried was maybe it might rain. This is the dialogue I have to keep saying whenever I take out the bike. It doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, rainy season. Shriman, if he takes his bike out, it should start raining. If he takes the car out, there should be a lot of traffic. These two things should happen. And one more thing, how can you guys forget? If Shriman vlogs, there should be a flight. Hi. I'm vlogging, I'll talk later, okay? But yes, today unfortunately street wind doesn't show any temperature and all that, outside temperature. It just shows, it has a gauge that just shows the engine temperature, I think so. I don't even know. Though it's a classic, Triumph people named it a modern classic. There's a reason for it, because it's got ride-by-wire, it's got some electronics like ABS, traction control, and apart from this, it's also got one more beautiful thing. It shows range. Yes, most classics, they don't even show the fuel left in the bike. This one shows range as well, so that's like double thumbs up to Triumph. I don't know where am I going. I'm just taking rounds to just check out the GoPro. Actually, I thought I'll not capture anything today. Thought tomorrow I'll go and do it. But then when I came out after my dinner, I saw that the climate is amazing. There was a nice breeze. I thought this is the right time to take the classics out and feel some beautiful Hyderabad pollution. And most probably, I think in the next 1 week, I'll try to take the BMW and get the Clearwaters fixed. And then we can do one more night ride. I'm waiting for that, because I'll go to that place where it's totally dark near my college. And when we do that, we can light up the entire stadium. Even if it's so dark, we need not worry, because we're gonna have floodlights, like literally floodlights. And by the way, guys, remember, if you're using aux lights, be very responsible about it. Don't keep flashing it at every single person, at every single vehicle coming onward. Even if the opposite guy is using a high beam, you don't use our aux light. We use it for our safety, our own purpose. Only where there is a need and where you think you're gonna hurt yourself if you don't use those lights. కలిసినామా ఇంతకు ముందు మన మైండ్ అస్సలు ఏదో లోకంలో ఉంటుంది. చలో బాయ్ బాయ్. Freaking pull, yaar. That kind of pull you'll not get in the Tiger, you'll not get it in the BMW, only in a classic or maybe a super sport. But this kind of crazy torque, I mean, it literally flies, dude. This kind of torque, it's not just torque coming anytime, it comes really in the beginning of the band. So that's about the GoPro 9, how it looks. You people be the judge. Let me know in the comment section if it is worth it. Anyways, even if you guys like it or not, or even if Shriman likes it or not, doesn't matter. Oh, sorry. We shouldn't say Shriman. Third person jaisa baat kiya, though people are going mad for that as well. Chill, dude, whoever that is. Akada code vachi pranalu potunte nenu Shriman and nannu Shriman ani piluchukote edusturu. What a feel sitting on this bike, dude. Next level feel you get. Okay, we are back and we literally rode like this. Phew. You know why my hair looks really bad in trips? Helmets. Abhi to still it's okay, but if you put it like continuously for 7 or 8 hours, then you'll understand. Anyways, that's about it. GoPro, I need to check how the footage came. I'm hoping it is good. Oh, by the way, like I mentioned in the morning, GoPro is also a US company, dude. I mean, I'm actually thinking now, most of the brands that we use are from the US. I think I'll add US stocks as well. Like I always say, one day your money should work for you. You shouldn't be struggling for money all your life, right? Anyways, in case you guys are also interested to invest into US stocks, there's a link in the description for IndMoney. Do download and start investing in US stocks. By the way, this app IndMoney is not just for investing into US stocks. You can use it for tracking your income and expenses. But disclaimer, never jump into the stock market or anything in your life just like that blindly without having proper knowledge about the stock market. If you just go put your money into anything and everything, you will definitely lose. But if you start with a small fractional amount and start learning how everything works, there are people who make a ton of money. There are people who survive on it. Do check it out. And you seeing this here, this is
This is once again something we have to unbox next or maybe next video. You guys know it already. You guys will definitely be excited for this. I know too much of unboxing keeps going on, right? But that is how a YouTuber's life is. Most people don't like to do it, but I love unboxing. Whatever I love, I show it to you guys from the beginning, right? Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do, right? Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.